Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joy Bettenhausen. Threat trackers in the yellow for today and for tomorrow. For today, strong storms will be possible this evening. For tomorrow, then we're talking about the dangerous heat and humidity. Then by Thursday, slight chance of showers and storms, but we'll start to see those dew points plummet, which is some good news. Heat alerts for tomorrow. We not only have an excessive heat watch in play, but also a heat advisory. That excessive heat watch still remains in our western counties from Waterloo down to Tama. Heat advisory new as of this morning from Monticello through Cedar Rapids all the way down to Washington. Could see heat indices around 100 to 110 degrees. Although not all of eastern Iowa is included in the heat alerts, we all will feel the heat and humidity, and that means stay hydrated if you'll be outdoors tomorrow. That heat index starting to climb today around 102, but by tomorrow 107 degrees there, and then we finally get a cool down. Thursday, heat index around 93 and will likely stay around 90 as we head towards the start of the weekend. Good tips to avoid the heat stroke. Drink plenty of fluids, wear loose-fitted clothing. If you can take breaks, find an air-conditioned building, check on some elderly neighbors or family members, and do not leave kids or pets in hot cars. Remember, look before you lock. That slogan could save lives. Later on tonight, Storm Prediction Center has our northern counties, far northern counties, under a slight risk for severe storms. That means any storms we do see develop could produce large hail or damaging wind gusts. Now, these storms should likely form right along the Iowa-Minnesota border. Let's talk about future track timing and location. This is today at 6 p.m. I'd say right in between 6 to 9 p.m. We'll start to see some of those storms firing up. That's 7 o'clock now. They'll start to move southeastward. Not everyone's going to see the rain, but this is the time where we could see some of those strong to severe storms. Continuing this on to about midnight or so, that's when we really see storms dissipate, and they'll dissipate on a line from Waterloo to Dubuque. You know, the best ingredients to see these storms develop exist in our northern half of the viewing area. Those to the south, maybe a couple sprinkles at best, but you're really not going to see these storms last. As we head on towards Wednesday morning, maybe a couple sprinkles lingering, but that should be about it, although we will wake up with a partly cloudy sky. Today's highs were in the upper 80s to low to mid 90s across the area. Hazy, hot and humid for today. Tonight, dropping down to the upper 60s, low 70s. We're not going to find any relief. It will feel warm and humid. City by city forecast shows mid to upper 90s possible for much of the area on Wednesday, dropping down to the upper 80s, low 90s for Thursday with the chance of a storm or two. And then Friday, a little bit of rain finishing up early in the morning hours, and then we're dry and we'll likely stay in the 80s, not only to start the weekend, but through much of next work week.